Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the Matrix Booster is ready. It is live on the blockchain. So let's look at how are you going to register. So this is the root wallet address or ID is 777. It starts at 777 the user ID. So we're going to copy that link, but you will I will not promote this 777. We will promote the different links. So you'll copy the link, make sure that you highlight it and you copy the link. Then you go to your SafePal wallet, make sure that it has got 0.01 BNB at least in. There's a little bit more here on OPBNB network. Right, so you will press on Explore as all the other platforms. You're going to go to your search bar and you're going to paste the link right at the top in the search bar, and then make sure your network is on OPBNB. Now this one has already been set there. So, and then you're going to press continue or let it take you there. Right, then you're going to see this dashboard, yeah, Matrix Booster dashboard. Right, the network is OPBNB, that's your wallet address. So make sure that you press wallet connected or connect wallet, and it will show you that the wallet is connected here at the bottom. Dashboard refreshed. So yes, there you can view the contract. But what we're going to do now is to register. So first of all, you've got 5 tabs here. Overview, register, you're going to go press on register. And you're going to scroll up. Now, for this, there is only one referrer at the moment, or active position, so that is 777. And that is going to be the default sponsor for now. So we can only use that one, and we're going to press add position for 0.01 BNB, and we're going to confirm the transaction. Just going to wait for it to approve, and there we go. So position added, and there is the transaction hash. Everything is there. Right, that is your how you register on Matrix Booster. Thank you. And now you can go and look at your user ID. You will press on positions. That is where your positions is. And you will see your position is, this position is 784. And the copy link, you can copy the link there. It will also be 784. You can just copy the link there and send it to the next person, and you can register multiple positions here as well. Alright, it will tell you there, refer a link for position 784 is copied to the clipboard. Alright, thank you. Bye bye.